Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do this photo retouching assignment. You should find the folder that says photo retouching on your desktop. I've dropped it up to all your computers, and you want to go ahead and make a copy of this by going over here and making a copy. It should show up here for you in a second. Once you have a copy of that folder, you're going to go ahead and rename this with or drop this into your folders. So if you've got your name sitting out here, you're going to drop it into that folder. And you're going to open this up and you're going to see that there's lots of images in here. You're going to have these 5 images that we've been talking about. And you're going to want to open these up in Photoshop. So go ahead and drag it over to your Photoshop. It'll open up. Drag it onto the PS down below and it'll open up. Your first image should be this image, and you want to do some cloning to fix this area right in here. And of course we want to fix these 2 little dots as well. So you're going to hit the S on your keyboard. It'll take you over, or you can hit the clone stamp tool. It's up here in the corner. Now you need to select an area to clone from. I usually pick some place in the middle of the grass here. You can see when I press down on the Option key, I get that little crosshair. That Option key allows for me to select an area, and then I can go over and start cloning that very area, and you can see where the little mark is on there. The screen is cloning it. And you want to clone some, and you don't want there to start to see like tracks or anything like that. You want it to look pretty realistic. You may want to go and select a new spot so that it starts to look a little random, and just go through and try to get it so that it looks like grass. And then you're going to want to come up here and you're going to want to maybe try a couple of different little spots, see if you can get to clone out these 2 little things, little sprinkler heads. Get those all cloned out as well. And you can just try different directions. Do the Command Z and then undo and then find the direction that looks correct to you. So this would be a corrected version of that file. Then you're going to do a file. You're going to come up and do Save As. And you'll just put your name on this. So I'll just put my last name in there and I'll go ahead and save that. Hit OK. And you'll see that it's saved.